probably right. I think there's probably something that we're going to find out is broken, whether it be a hedge fund or a levered ETF. That's fine. But we have to remember there's another possibility, and that's that, remember, the economy is absolutely broken and has been shut down, and the demand for oil is nothing. I mean, I've had the same tank of gas in my car for 2 months. So the point is that if you were filling up an oil and you didn't want any more, there didn't seem to be a price that someone was willing to take it. That's probably an oversimplification, and that's just taking it at face value. But it got to be, again, I'm a trader. I didn't even know much about the delivery procedures until today. All day long, everyone's been like, "Wow, looking up the delivery procedures." So it's deliverable the 1st of May through the 30th of May, and people it seemed to me that nobody wanted to step in for two reasons. One, they don't want the oil, but two, you don't want to try to catch a falling knife either. There are some interesting takeaways to me. Look at the stock market. The stock market's only down, not even 2%. To me, when something this weird happens, regardless of the reason for it happening, risk assets don't like bizarro world, and they usually trade off precipitously. We didn't really today, and there wasn't really a reflexive bid in the 10-year as well. So it's almost like everyone stood back and were like, wow, this is somebody else's problem that we got tankers of oil and no place to put them. It's absolutely fascinating. I never thought we'd see anything like this.
I think that's the best explanation I've heard about this all day. This is just simply bizarro world, and because you just can't imagine it. But so explain this to me: is somebody making money from this big sell-off, or are people with short? I mean, how could you get that short?
Well, if you were that short too, wouldn't you? At what point in time would you be covering all your shorts? What is it you want? We're down $30. No one even imagined that. And the May market got extremely illiquid, towards the latter half of the day. So to answer your question, I'm not sure who's making money in it. I know for certain a couple things, and one, that I want to be as far away from it as I possibly can be, because it was like, hide in a bunker. Something very, very weird was happening. But again, we have to remember that we essentially stopped everything a month ago. And there's something like that does not happen without some severe ramifications. And this is one of the first really odd offshoot we're seeing.